Let's talk about the fundamental counting principle. In other words, how we can count how many different possibilities can happen in lots of different situations. Here's the official definition and explanation of the fundamental counting principle. If you wanted to perform a series of tasks, and the first task can be done X different ways, and the second can be done Y different ways, the third can be done Z different ways, and so on, then all the tasks can be done by just multiplying those together, X times Y times Z. Let's make this a little bit more simple. Let's say you're getting dressed in the morning, and you have 3 shirts to choose from, 2 pairs of pants, and 4 jackets. If we wanted to find out how many different outfits we could come, we have 3 different ways of choosing a shirt, times 2 different ways of choosing a pair of pants, times 4 different ways of choosing a jacket. So we could create 24 different outfits. That's what the fundamental counting principle is really trying to tell us. Let's look at the first example. Starbucks has 14 different flavors of coffee. Each coffee comes in tall, grande, or venti. How many different combinations are there? Let's look at it in this way. We have 2 tasks. Task 1 is choose a flavor. And there are 14 different ways to do that. Task 2, choose a size. And there are 1, 2, 3 ways to do that. So the total combinations are 14 times 3, which is 42 different combinations. Okay, example 2, very similar. We have a computer store, and it sells 6 different computers, 4 different monitors, 5 different printers, 3 different multimedia packages. If we choose one from each, how many different computer systems are available? Task 1, that's selecting the computer. And we have 6 of those available. Task 2 is picking out a monitor. There are 4 options there. Task 3 is picking out a printer. 5 options there. And task 4 is picking out a multimedia package. And there are 3 options there. So to find out how many total packages we have, we just multiply these 3 together. We say 6 times 4 is 24, times 5 is 120, times 3 is 360. There are 360 total computer packages available. This one's much shorter, much simpler. How many ways can you pick a month of the year and a day of the week? Before we go on, I want you to hit pause and try to solve this problem yourself. Then come back and hit play. Welcome back. Well, we've got 2 tasks. We have to pick a month of the year, and we have to pick a day of the week. We have 7 days to choose from and 12 months to choose from. So to solve this, we say 7 times 12, and there are 84 ways in which to complete this task. Here's our final example. A store offers 32 different t-shirt designs in 11 different colors. They advertise a t-shirt for every day of the year. Is the advertisement true? In other words, do they really sell 365 different t-shirts if we have 32 designs and 11 different colors? Well, let's see. The way we would solve that is saying 32 times 11, and that gives us 352. So unfortunately, this is false. It comes close, but there's 365 days in a year, so we don't quite have enough to get us through the whole year. Okay, so to review the fundamental counting principle, remember all we do is we take the number of ways we can complete each part of our task and then multiply those options out to get our final answer. There's 4 problems left on your sheet to do that you should have and taking notes on. Try to do those 4 on your own, and we will talk about those in class tomorrow.